This object looks to be the silhouette of a helicopter. Mysteriously, it transforms itself into a silvery domed object and hovers in midair.
There are cases that have been reported within the field of people seeing helicopters that take on a dish shape.
What is that?
It just popped out of the woods. It was red when it came out and now it's white.
Now it's going to turn red again. Now it's going to turn red.
Yeah, that's close. That's a lot closer than I thought.
My house. It's over my house. That's literally right over my house.
Oh no.
We have the pictures, like right over, like I live right there.
Do you have like a Ring camera or like security camera?
No, we just bought on my deck. Are you
guys
the
wow.
ones launching them? Now it's down. Now it's going down. Look.
But what does it look like though?
It looks like a normal drone. Just looks enormous.
I can.
Oh yeah, you're one. It's coming this way. There's one behind it.
Three mystery drones in the air. This is wild. I was moving quick. What in the world is happening? What?
Oh my fucking god, dude.
There's a plane coming underneath it, so it can't be.
No, that ain't no plane, yo. You can see a plane. We just got a plane. It's flashing. Oh, we got a plane. That ain't no plane. Bro.
Take still shots too.
What the fuck is that, dude?
Why the fuck did they just?
It just made a perfect triangle. It made a fucking triangle. Whoa, bro. Oh my god. We actually caught a fucking UFO.
Yo, what the fuck is this?
Oh my god.
That's a real shit.
Oh my god.
We almost left too fucking early too.
I told you, motherfuckers.
What the fuck is in it? Oh, they're swirling around. Are they gonna line back?
Oh my god.
What's going on right now, bro?
Oh my god.
I'm fucking tripping.
Jay,
Oh,
what are we seeing?
I don't know. No, that one. And now the top light is brighter, doesn't it seem like it?
Yeah.
And see how it's positioned perfectly at the.
That one at the bottom came up.
But here's the thing. These are not flashing lights. Like, there are no runway lights. These are... Oh my god.
The plane, is that a plane with a red light going to the left?
No. That's
one-
the one of the dots.
There's a plane up to the left in front of
Yeah,
that.
there's ones to the left there are. Yeah, I didn't see that one. The bottom one though is just sitting there now.
Bro, how did those two lights come together like that?
Oh yeah, the other light's not. It came as one.
Yeah, they lined up like this in a pyramid. Then one took off, and then that one's
And
directly
you got
underneath
that
it.
one on the bottom there, the red one.
But doesn't it seem like,
What the fuck?
yo, in the top, like,
Oh,
doesn't it seem like the one's
it's
getting
moving.
higher?
It's moving.
Isn't it getting higher? It is getting higher. I
It looks
finally
like
see
it's
it.
moving. Yeah, I
That
see
shit
it.
is getting higher.
What the fuck is going on,
'Cause look
dude?
how close
It's
it
getting way higher, bro.
What the? Like they separated, like they came together and separated.
Yeah, they are together.
And that top light is getting higher because now the one is.
Oh, it's coming towards us. That's coming towards us.
Now the top is coming towards us.
Oh, it's way higher too. Remember how close it was to the tree line?
Yo,
Bro.
that shit is coming towards us now.
You just see it zoomed in. The light
It's
is
coming
beautiful.
towards us.
Dude.
What the
Bro, why am
fuck?
I nervous?
Because it might have a UFO coming towards us.
Yo, we have to sit here until it comes. We got like 10 minutes.
Hey,
The fuck?
It's coming towards. Dude, that motherfucker is flying towards.
Yo, that shit is going fast.
What is going on?
Why?
It's
The
gonna be above
motherfucker,
us.
I see a UFO, I have a fucking phone. Look at what kind of shit this is.
Dude, that thing is way above us.
Man, I wish I could call everybody and tell them to come on. How was that a plane?
What? It's like a little disc, dude.
Oh, it's coming. Look, like that motherfucker was way over there. It was sitting the power on.
Wait, listen.